Did you know there's a flower so elegant and long lasting? It's called the flower of gods. Yes, we are talking about carnations, the timeless blooms that fill gardens, bouquets, and hearts with their vibrant charm. Today, let's step into the colorful world of carnation farming and learn how you can grow these divine flowers successfully. Carnations, specifically known as Dianthus caryophyllus, originated from the Mediterranean. Their names comes from the Greek words dios, which means god, and anthis, which means flower, meaning the flower of the gods. With their ruffled petals and rich colors red, pink, white, yellow, and even purple carnation symbolizes love, purity, and admiration. Carnations love cool, temperate weather, ideally between 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Avoid extreme heat or frost. Greenhouses work beautifully. Use well drained sandy loam soil rich in organic matter. At least 5 to 6 hours of sunlight daily ensures healthy growth. Keep the soil moist but never waterlogged. Drip irrigation is perfect to maintain even moisture and prevent root rot. Carnations are grown from cuttings, seeds, or tissue culture. Cuttings are fastest for large scale farming. Space plants 6 to 8 inches apart and raised beds for proper aeration and drainage. Apply a balanced NPK fertilizer and foliar sprays of calcium and magnesium for stronger stems and brighter blooms. Use nets or stakes for support. Pinch young tips to encourage more flower heads. Watch for aphids, thrips, and spider mites. Adopt organic pest control and integrated pest management for eco friendly farming. Harvest when the outer petals just begin to open. Early morning or late evening is ideal. Cut with sterilized tools for better was life. With the right care and marketing, carnation farming can yield high profits, especially in wedding, event, and export markets. Carnation farming isn't just about growing flowers, it's about cultivating beauty, art, and opportunity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more inspiring farming stories.